Over there, and then we'll. Yeah, right from here. Here we go. Conditioned already. They know what I'm going to do.
这期节目我想给大家介绍在基洛纳的一个特殊的有趣的职业。
生活在加拿大宜居之城基洛纳的 Dennis 是这个城市唯一的一位职业吓鸟人。他每天的工作就是开着一辆白色的面包车，拿着一把信号枪，出现在群鸟聚集的地方，放信号弹，把鸟儿们吓走。这个专业工作他已经做了50多年。这天早晨8点，他按时来到海鸥聚集的小游艇码头，并和我们聊起他的职业以及他眼中的鸟儿们。
Yeah, my hobby is birds and just bird control. 100 geese poop up to 1,000 pounds in 1 week. If you don't give me a permit to shoot it, you know it's flying somewhere. They don't want 1,000 gulls pooping all over the dock and people carrying that into their boats. We understand about infection and disease, so I'm here just for health and safety.
Do you know different kinds of birds?
There's only 2 kinds of birds in the world.
Oh, just the 2?
Yeah, do you realize that? There's hawks and hawk food.
You know, these birds know you.
Yes. And sometimes I can pull up with my car, they see me and they'll fly away. You know, birds aren't stupid. Again, I can train one of my hawks and he can be up on that mountain and in 10 seconds I can have him fly back to me.
关注子轩边走边录，流程更多，可以